I'm gonna show you how to make sopes.
My way. Sopes are a very traditional dish in Mexico. The shell is made with masa, same as the tortillas. And like the taco, it can be filled with anything. But it has to be topped with shredded lettuce, diced tomato, crema or sour cream, and queso fresco or cotija, along with a good salsa, of course. Let me show you how easy it is to make this delicious food.
Add a little bit of oil, sliced onion, really thin. It's a quarter of an onion. About a cup and a half of shredded beef. Put a little bit of oil if it's too dry. 1 cup of enchilada sauce. Lower the heat. Cook it until it dries up a little bit. You don't have to add more spices because the enchilada sauce have already garlic, onion, cumin, and all the flavor. There you go. It's dry now. Turn it off. Set it on the side.
So this is corn flour. You can find this in any international market or in the grocery store in the Hispanic section.
2 cups, 1 cup and a half of water, room temperature water. Add a little bit of salt and just mix. For this we need a little bit of gluten, so we're gonna add about a
Tablespoon of flour.
So what is gonna do the flour is to add some gluten here because the corn flour doesn't have gluten, and it's gonna help us to keep it together, and when we fry them they're not gonna break.
So we want this consistency. First we make a little ball and then we smash it a little bit.
When you smash it, it's gonna break a little bit from the sides. You just have to round it.
A little border like that. And we make it like that. Okay, now hot oil. And you just want to fry them until crispy and golden brown. Then we just place some paper towels to drain them from the excess of oil. I got 8 sopes from the recipe from 2 cups of corn flour. So you can make them as crispy you want. What I like from the sope that it will be crispy from outside and soft from the inside. Done.
I refried these beans with pork lard. They have a lot of flavor.
Spread some beans first.
And some of the beef.
Some shredded lettuce.
Tomato. Crema. You can use also sour cream. And queso fresco. Splash of lime, salsa, and that's it.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss any new videos.